to the video brought to you by Simone Nicole TV.
Period.
If you are new, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how I pack my work tote from the Beis line. Shay Mitchell is the owner of the line, and she's a multiracial individual, a woman who also she was an actress on Pretty Little Liars, I believe. I've never really watched a show like that. Maybe y'all have, and y'all know her from that, but this is my first time actually hearing about her. And I actually saw this bag from Jilla Corian's video, and I was like, that is actually really cute. And if you know anything about Jilla Corian, she travels a lot. And she was also able to give out discounts if you order through her video, I believe. But the website also gives you discounts whenever you click on it. It gives you like a wheel to spin to give you like either a free item or like 15 or 10% off of the item. And I actually was able to use it on my purchase. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in my bag and show you how it looks. So this is the work tote. I got mine in the mini. It is black croc style. This is how it looks on the outside. The large one would have been way too big for what I needed it for, but I mean, to each his own. Some people it looks really good on. To me, I think it would have looked really, really big, like OD big on me. It has straps that are pretty long. When I first unboxed it, I did an unboxing in a, hold on, someone's at my door. So yeah, this is the work tote. I was searching for this bag for a while. Not for this bag specifically, but a work tote that I could use that actually had closure at the top. The exterior is flat. It has the Beis logo right here. See the crocodile print. On the side it has zipper. It has one zipper to open it up, and you can put things in there like say your phone, if you're at the airport, a passport. It has enough space in there. You can fit a whole phone. Let me see. I'm gonna put my phone in there and see. So yeah, the phone drops in, but my phone is actually kind of big, so it wouldn't zip up, I don't think. Let's see. Oh, actually, I lied. It zips up. The phone zips up in there. How nice. We love that. Security.
I said, don't get loud with me, sir. Do not get loud with me. Oh no. Security. Security. This still needs to go.
So we have that. And then on the other side, there's a pocket. The pocket, I feel like it's for a water bottle. I have the tag in here. It says Beis. Has that on it. And then, let's see. Phone fits in this side as well. Yep, boom, can't even see it. And then on the back, it has two zippers. This one goes from a pocket to a slip to slide on to the handle of the suitcase if you're rolling through the airport or just, you know, going somewhere and you have a carry-on bag. And then the zipper pocket right here, and of course, you know, if you close this up, I like that you'll know that the bottom is closed up by it matching the top. So if this is closed up to the left, if you slide this over to the left, it's also closed up. Oh, I lied. It's the opposite direction, to the right. So yeah, so that's the exterior, and then the top part actually has a zip. And that's one of the main reasons why I wanted this bag, is because there were other bags I was looking at, like the Versace tote, the Neverfull from Louis Vuitton, and those things I didn't like rush to buy them because they didn't have a zip covering. I know you can buy inserts to fill the bag up, or like bag organizers to keep things more secure, but I don't want to, I'm not the type of person that wants to spend extra money after I've already bought something that was expensive. And this bag was only $108 without any discount. Them other bags, honey, are thousands. So it's like, why would I spend my money on something that's not even doing what I want it to do? I'm gonna want to get something that's more realistic versus just the name, the brand. But that's the exterior of the bag. It has two handles. It comes with a long strap as well. It has the hooks on the side. Can you see the hooks on the side? It has little hooks on the side. It comes with a long strap. The long strap is nothing luxury about it. It just matches the bag. It's like a utility strap. It looks very, very, what's the word? Like a work bag. It looks like a work bag for sure. Let me see, where did I put it? I have it in my laptop case area. Yeah, this is the strap. It's nice and padded, which I love. My Louis Vuitton Denier E-Bing duffel bag does not have the padding. And like I said, the hooks aren't very luxury looking, but it's durable. So I think I'm pretty sure it's gonna be worth it versus getting something that looks super nice, because who's gonna see it anyways? I'm not really gonna be using this strap, but I've seen other videos when people actually replace their strap and buy, like, you know, a Marc Jacobs strap or just a black basic strap from Amazon. All right, you guys, so here is the tote bag. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the interior of it. So the top of it looks like this. It has the crocodile print across the zipper as well, and it has one zipper that goes in one direction. Just unzip it. So I have it filled up. I could fit way more items in here. I've been searching for a while for something like that. So here is the laptop slip. The laptop slip has a Velcro pocket. Just slide it out. I have my 13-inch MacBook Pro in here. I also have just a random mask sitting inside of the laptop slip, and just like some papers. So I keep papers back there if it's just fine. It's like my stuff for W-2 and whatnot for tax season. And then that's it. That's in that pocket. And then in front of the laptop slip is 2 pockets and 2 pen holders. So I have one pen in here. I was able to get this from one of the hotels I was at recently. It is a Sonesta pen. Perfect size. Just slips right in, and there's 2 of those. I don't know if you can see it. This is where I just pulled it out of. So there's one here, and there's the second one here. Yep, just pull it out. And then there's a pocket right next to it, and I have my Fenty Beauty lip gloss inside of it. I need to get another one. This is in the glass slipper scent. And then I have a hair tie, because you know, you gonna need that, girl. You gonna need a hair tie. And then pocket next to that, I have my casino thing that I just hold on to just in case I go to the casino randomly. And I just keep that in there. And then, oh, that's not supposed to be in here. So there's a open area, right? There's an open area that also holds a pocket. What is this called? It's like a little envelope type pouch. It has a pouch, but between the pockets and the pouch there's space. It's not spread out as much as it can be, but it fits a good amount that's in here so far. So I have one journal. This is my Not All Those Who Wander Are Lost. If you've seen one of my other What's in My Bags and my mini backpack I had, this was also in there. It's pretty small. It's like the size of my hand. And then I have another journal that I'm using to document my workouts. So I keep it in here every now and then, and I also use it to document my water intake and how much or what types of food that I eat throughout the day whenever I remember to do that. And next to that, I have a pair of sunglasses just tucked into the side. These are like the Celine dupes I bought from Amazon. They're super cute, super cute. They were like probably $10, and they came with this case, and they came with a lens wipe, a lens cloth, but I don't even know where I put that thing. This is the brand from Amazon if you're interested. And then I have my card holder with my Steve Madden card holder with my AirPod pouch, which my AirPod pouch I also keep I keep my AirPod, a block, the regular headphones in here, and sometimes I'll keep an extra charger wire in here. But I'm using right now to charge my phone. I believe I'm charging something on it. I was earlier, but I keep my card holder and my AirPod pouch together. I got these for Christmas from my mama. Thank you, mommy. Came with the purse. And another random mask sitting down here. Random black mask. I have plenty of masks in here because you never know. I got a lot of masks in this bag. Oh, and then I have some hair ties that are at the bottom, and then my this goes to my camera. And it's just not on it right now because I'm using a light in place of where that's supposed to be. And then of course the pouch. So you have the pouch, and then what I like to do is I like to keep my work devices in between the pouch and the back of the bag where there's a zipper at. The pouch you can take out, so I'm gonna show you guys how that looks when you take the pouch out. It has 2 buttons on both sides. So if you need to carry it on its own, you can just snap it closed like this. People, I know on other videos, people have placed their papers in here, important documents. You can put probably an iPad in here, but I haven't tried. I'm sure it would fit. And then I keep my cords in here. So I have my MacBook Pro charger, and I have this pouch where I keep my other wires for my other devices. Like for my camera, my phone, I just keep it in here. And there's a lot of space still in here that I could put more items in. I just haven't filled it up, and I don't really have the need to do that right now. And then I had my work iPad and my work phone both next to the pouch, and then there's a zipper in the back. The zipper pouch has crocodile print in black, solid black around it, and I have nothing in there, I don't think. Oh, I have my necklace, it broke, so I just have the, what is this called? I just have the piece that dangles off the necklace. My sister bought this for me for, I think, Christmas or one of my birthdays. It's the Om symbol. If you know, you know. But yeah, I believe that's it. It's inside of my bag, and I could fit so much more. Oh, there's also a key ring if you want to put your keys on here. If you want to click like a key, not a key, but like a badge. You can put a badge on here, that way you can easily find your item. I haven't used this for anything just yet because I just don't need to. But yeah, that is it, the interior of the bag. I'm gonna put everything back inside. Hope you guys enjoyed the what's in my Beis bag. Let me know what you think about the product. Comment down below, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.